At Belmain, we aspire to create products that provide our customers the best possible helping hand in the kitchen. That's why we created Belmain's French Press. With a polished mirror finish and an improved double wall insulation, this French press helps you make simple, delicious coffee. To use, simply hold on to the handle and pull the plunger knob up to remove the filter unit. Next, add your favorite coarse ground coffee or loose leaf tea. A good rule of thumb is to follow a 1:15 ratio of coffee to water, or roughly 3 tablespoons of coffee for each cup of water. Then pour in hot, not boiling water. Leave at least 1 inch of space at the top and avoid overfilling. Carefully reinsert the plunger into the pot, stopping just above the water, and let it brew for 3 to 4 minutes. Gently and slowly press the plunger knob down. Our French press features multi-micro mesh filters that bring all of the flavor and none of the grounds to your cup, so there will be a bit of resistance from the double filter doing its job. Now, pour and enjoy your favorite brew. Or you can walk away and come back later. The double wall keeps your drink hot. Belmain products are easy to clean. Just rinse. Or for a thorough clean, wash all parts in your dishwasher. Your morning ritual improved. Feel and taste the difference of Belmain quality.